the perfect spot. No one's here. Everywhere else was packed to the brim. And look at all these fish dead right here. Let's get our waders on and get out there. Everywhere. You ready? I'm gonna try to catch some.
Oh, right there, there's a whole school.
How many we got? 3. We got the smallest net in town, 3 feet length. But luckily where we're at, it's only like 1.5 feet, 2 feet deep. And there's tons of fish right here. So let's try to get the school right here. All right, you can have 10 pounds each.
One?
One on that one. One just popped out though. If we had a bigger net, we might be getting more than one at a time. The rod's bending, look.
Oh no.
The current is bending the rod.
Everything was sold out.
We couldn't find the right net. There's a whole school in right here. And go up to that spot. I had like a 6-foot net, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Come on, we only got till 7 o'clock.
How'd I catch those other ones so easy? Maybe we moved to a little higher up or something down there.
He made it seem so easy.
That first one I did something pretty. I was thinking
You got 2.
Three.
If we had a bigger net, it would be better.
So much, and a stronger net.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah. Here's the last one for the bucket. Yeah, it's nice. We expected some rain. It did rain, but the rain made it a lot harder to see the fish through the water. And then when the rain cleared, the sun came out, you can like just see them all. So I'm very glad our experience was half and half. We got to see how it was both ways. Alright guys, time is over. Caught our smelt. Alright, thanks for watching everybody. Stay tuned for the next one.